We've seen how we can change the standard assumptions, so the standard working time assumptions for a project under File and Options. But if you start to adjust the File and Options, you also need to adjust the working calendar, so the standard project calendar. This is accessed through the project ribbon and change working time. Now your project actually comes with a number of calendars. There is the standard calendar, which is the base calendar for the whole project, and the assumption is that everybody on the project, so all work resources, work to this calendar. But there are two other built-in calendars, 24-hour calendar. We can see that that's 12 till 12, so effectively no time off, and a night shift calendar, and that works 12 till 3, then an hour sort of lunch, 4 till 8, and then back in again at 11 p.m. till 12 a.m. So to get the day in there, you have to do the sort of end of the shift before the beginning of the shift. You'll also notice in any project that each individual work resource has their own calendar as well. They're all based on the standard calendar, but they can have their own variation. It may be, for example, that the plumber has every Friday off, so we could build that into the calendar. Now, if we look at the standard calendar, this is built around 8 till 12, 1 till 5. Now, even if I close this and go into the options and change the schedule to start at 7 and finish at 4, so we've still got the same length of day, but we're starting an hour earlier and finishing an hour earlier. Okay, and look back at the working time. The standard calendar does not change. You need to physically change the standard calendar to those new working hours. So although the default for the project is to start at 7 and finish at 4, the calendars are not telling each work resource that. Calendars tell each work resource that they are available 8 till 12 and then 1 till 5. So we need to then change the standard calendar. So if we wish to change our working time, so it's not 8 till 12, 1 till 5, but 7 till 11 and then 12 till 4, then we go into the work weeks section here, and there is a default option that we can select and then details. These are our default days, and you'll see that when you select Sunday, there is no working time, and when you select Saturday, there's no working time. But from Monday to Friday, we see 8 till 12 and 1 till 5. So if I multiple select Monday to Friday and then choose set days to these specific working times, I can actually click in here and change from to be 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and I'm just typing the number in. And then from 12 to 4 p.m. So I'm going to put 16 so it knows I mean 4 p.m. And that will now change the working time for Monday through to Friday. Okay, and we can then see here 7 to 11, 12 till 4 is the new working time for any of the days that I now click on. If I click on a Sunday, it's non-working, and click on a Saturday, it's non-working. So this is the default working week, and this is how you adjust what those working hours are. It may even be that on a Friday, they finish early, they finish at 2, so I'm going to put 14, so it knows 2 p.m. And then on Saturday, they have to come in for 2 hours to make the week up. So from 9 till 11. Okay, and you can see then that when you click on a Saturday, it says 9 till 11. And if you click on the rest of the week, 7 to 11, 12 till 4, except on a Friday when it's 7 to 11 and 12 to 2, regardless of whether I go forwards or backwards through time, because I've changed the default working hours. So that will now affect everybody and everybody's calendar that is based on the standard calendar. And when I say OK, that's then applied to the project. And you can see that Saturdays are now not grayed out because they are actually a working day and some of the tasks fall on a Saturday, whereas Sunday is still grayed out because that's still fully a non-working day. So that's changing the standard calendar to affect the display here in the Gantt chart and all of your working resources.